Hi everyone, Brett from Gensco. We are all familiar with Mitsubishi being a leader in ductless heat pumps. Well, we are very excited to announce that they have a brand new ducted heat pump system. The best part about this heat pump system is that it has an inverter-driven variable speed compressor, and it matches up to an indoor ducted air handler like we see on traditional heat pump systems. Now, this is one of the most efficient, most quiet, and most comfortable heat pump systems on the market today. It's great for residential homes with existing ductwork or new construction. Before we started the sound test, the heat pump system was off and the ambient outdoor noise level was 45 decibels. Now that the system is running, the average decibels is 50, and I'm just standing about 3 feet away from the unit. I'll show you. Okay, here we are inside the garage. We're showing you the indoor air handler. This model is called the PVFY, and it has a high efficiency blower motor. Again, nice and quiet, and it matches up great to the inverter driven heat pump on the exterior of the house. You can see the line sets run into the side of it. This is a horizontal left application, and the install turned out very nice.